Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and given that this is the Moon Lambo channel, you know that this headline was going to catch my attention. Now, to be clear, this video is going to be all about price, but check out this headline. Bitcoin, quote, Lambo line indicator suggests bull market inbound. And for those of you that, I know most of you know this, but there's always new subscribers coming on board here. My name, Moon Lambo, is absolutely a joke. You know, I know many people out there before this was like, who's this idiot named Moon Lambo? Well, I'm not gonna make the claim that I'm not an idiot, but I will tell you this: it was absolutely a joke calling me this. You know, I just when I entered the world of crypto in late 2017, I found it hysterical that people were saying "win Moon, win Lambo," and so you just smash those two idiotic things together. Thank you, crypto world, for your vernacular, and then you got Moon Lambo, which I still think is rather funny here. But anyway, apparently this Lambo thing, there's a Lambo line indicator that can freaking predict the bull market. So I think you're going to enjoy hearing about this, but that's just one of the things I'm going to talk about in this video. I've got opinions from all sorts of traders, chart analysts, technical analysts, all that good stuff here. Now, before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button, and if you're a fan of Ripple and XRP, go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel. It does a body good. Don't believe me? Ask your doctor. The market cap for the asset class is at $305 billion. Bitcoin's at $10,317.70 as I record this, and XRP's at 34.1 cents, which is the highest it's been in quite some time. Here's the 24-hour chart for XRP. You can see it's been creeping up, and Bitcoin's looking rather similar over the last 24 hours. Let's go ahead and delve into this first opinion here. This is from AMB Crypto. XRP's overshot price due for a much-needed 8% to 12% retracement, and this is by chart analyst Akash Giramath, again with AMB Crypto here. The altcoin market has slowly begun to rally, and XRP in particular has risen by 75% since the start of 2020. Other altcoins like Bitcoin SV have surged by over 200% since the start of 2020 as well. At press time, the price of XRP was recorded to be 32.75 cents, and this is after its 55% surge in just under 18 days. It would seem like volatility has finally returned to the cryptocurrency market. Even with the volatility, however, the price needs to have a correction, especially after the aforementioned exponential rally. And he goes on to talk about the 1 hour, so I want to skip past this. I know it's not possible to avoid all of the technical speak within these types of videos, but I try to keep it to a minimum here. And so he has this little subheading titled Wild Card Scenario. There is a probability that the sideways movement of price, as mentioned above, could form a bull flag or other bullish continuation patterns. If this materializes, this could push the price higher to 37.38 cents. However, the chances of that happening hinges on XRP's correlation with Bitcoin, which has been relatively high at 0.65. Another factor that plays a role in pushing the price higher is the Altseason, which seems to have started as Bitcoin dominance is beginning to fall. Generally, the Altseasons have been recorded as Bitcoin's dominance fell, hence the present decline in Bitcoin dominance could have sparked the next Altseason. Additionally, Bitcoin dominance also depends on the hash rate of Bitcoin. Now, due to multiple geopolitical events like the U.S.-China trade war and the coronavirus, the Chinese mining industry is being affected. The speculation here is that the hash rate's decline is mainly due to the global pandemic, which originated in the Wuhan province of China. Since Bitcoin mining is heavily concentrated in China, the latest pandemic scare might be affecting Bitcoin's fundamentals. All right, into the next piece now. And this is from Dennis Surachek. He's a chart analyst with crypto media outlet You Today, and he titled this piece, XRP Price Prediction Headed for 35 cents without significant decline? Question mark. Well, what do you have to say here, Mr. Surachek? While Bitcoin is trading sideways, altcoins are maintaining their growth. All top 10 coins are in the green zone, while the biggest gainer is Tezos, whose rate has risen by 5.45% over the last day. Regarding the price prediction for the third most popular crypto, it remains almost unchanged. The short squeeze on BitMEX has not affected the rate of XRP, and I covered that in another video today, so I don't want to delve into that at all in this video. Next here, let me scroll a little bit lower. So, reason for growth. Yeah, I don't think that's the part that I wanted to touch on. I think I just want to get to the bottom. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. So, and this was written a little bit earlier today, so keep that in mind. But I think it's kind of fun to just we have the benefit of hindsight, right? So we know at XRP is at 34 cents right now. And he writes, today's sellers could push the price to 31% support. This upper border of the yellow corridor may deter the pair from further decline. On a bigger time frame, the parabolic growth has not yet finished. The Bollinger Band indicator keeps going higher against the rising trading volume. If the situation does not change, traders might see 35 cents by the end of the current month. And XRP is trading at 97 cents at press time. So 35 cents by the end of the month. You might see it by the end of the day. I mean, we'll see. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Like, I'm not pretending to have a financial background. I certainly do not, and so I don't offer financial advice, period. But, man, it's moving. I will not be surprised if we see that sooner than later here. All right, next. This is going to be a fun one. Bitcoin Lambo line indicator suggests bull market inbound. According to a blog post from Chartstar, the number of Lambo mentions on Reddit turns out to be a surprisingly good indicator for predicting strong Bitcoin market moves. Now, I don't care who you are. That's freaking funny, right? There's actually something to all this stupid Lambo speak, which I recognized in 2017, which led to the creation of my first Moon Lambo account, which was on Twitter, because it's so dumb. It is so dumb. And then just to see that there's a story indicating that people using such stupid speak in the world of crypto could actually be used to come up with some sort of meaningful conclusion in terms of market direction and sentiment. I love that. I absolutely love that. That is rich. There we go. So and here's the subheading. So what's the Bitcoin verdict? Now, wait a minute. First, the parameters needed to be tweaked a bit. Fair enough. The Reddit mentioned query was amended from Lamborghini to Lambo for obvious reasons. Yeah, obviously, most people probably don't even know how to spell Lamborghini, so of course you want to shorten it. Win Lambo. There you go. Frickin' mouth breathers. And then the search was focused on certain cryptocurrency-related subreddits. After all, why would there be a link between Bitcoin's price and Lambo mentioned from people who don't talk about Bitcoin? When those parameters were applied, there did indeed seem to be some noticeable correlation between the two, and there's the chart on the screen. Come on, please tell me you love this as much as me. This is absolutely fantastic here. At a glance, the Lambo line appears to be a lagging indicator that trails around 1 month behind Bitcoin's price movements. However, on closer inspection, you can see that on 2 occasions, the Lambo line actually became a front runner to the leading crypto asset. This is fantastic here. In May 2017, Lambo line spiked high above the Bitcoin price line just before the asset went on a parabolic rally towards its all-time high above $20,000. Then in April 2018, the Lambo line, there's a thing called a Lambo line now, I love this, tanked below the Bitcoin price line a few months before Bitcoin tanked to its bear market bottom of around $3,400. Okay, that's good. All right, I'll move on now, but you get the gist of it here. Crypto is just, it's stupid. It's flat. It's straight up stupid, but I love it so much. All right, take a look at this. Analyst, 680-day bear trend for XRP is over, making an epic rally likely. And so here we go. I'm going to be brief with this one because I have conceptually talked about this fairly recently anyway. But this is a brand new piece. XRP breaks out of 680-day bear trend, claims 200-day EMA. Few altcoins have suffered as badly as XRP. After an over 90% drawdown from all-time high prices, the cryptocurrency was stuck in a long, arduous downtrend. At each glimmer of hope and recovery, the altcoin's price was swatted back down by a combination of bearish investors and, of course, this is newsbtc.com, so they cite Ripple executives dumping on the market to fund operations, which I'm not going to debunk in this video. It's completely stupid, and people that write this crap should actually be embarrassed that they have strong opinions on something that they clearly have not researched. It's either that or they're deliberately misleading people. Either way, it's bad. Anyway, the cryptocurrency token has fallen from prices of well over $3.50 to as low as 17 cents per token at its December 2019 low. From that low, however, XRP is already up a total of 93% year-to-date. Ripple, they mean XRP, but again, it's Bitcoiners here. All right, Ripple is already up well over 80%. In February alone, XRP has increased by over 40%. So there you go. All right, next, here's a tweet from Patty Stash who wrote, I don't need to talk about fundamentals, but from a technical standpoint, there will definitely be one more pullback. Historically, the price breaks all-time highs well after the halving, so we've got time anyway. So he's referencing Bitcoin there. Here's another tweet from chart analyst Patty Stash, and he writes, can I finally say it? Hashtag Altseason. Just remember, this is the beginning of the first little altcoin action after 2 years of being beat down. I expect 3 to 4 more alt seasons before the bull run is all said and done. Indeed. Well, look, I've been a proponent for the concept of alt season. Well, some people are saying, no, it's done, it's different. Cryptos, so many of those coins are dead since 2017 happened with all the ICOs. And I said, okay, there's not a lot of liquidity in many of these coins. That's a fair point. But humans are not behaving differently in any sort of meaningful way. And if they are, I kept saying, illustrate that to me with data. And nobody did. And here we are. Anyway, here's a tweet from Wooston, XRP/USD. Yesterday we had a dump attempt on Bitcoin and a bear attempt on XRP right at 31 cents. The bulls were waiting and smashed the bears. Now we have a mix, not only the bots, but also smart players to even the odds. The bulls are getting together. Hashtag XRP. Next, here's a tweet from Josh Rager. He's talking about Ethereum, which led the altcoin rally in 2017, and I think it's fun to track this. And here it's about Ethereum again. The official send it level for ETH/USD is breaking and close above the $360 on high time frames. Actually, let's go ahead and, for the fun of it, take a look at the price of Ethereum. It's at $283.55 as I record this. Let me jump back now. For anyone who wants to accumulate, if you're not in by $360, then I'm sorry. No need to FOMO. Pullbacks will come and you've got plenty of time. Keep an eye on how price reacts there. All right, next, another one from Josh Rager, Ethereum/Bitcoin. This chart is a beauty. Accumulation zone that began back in 2016. Imagine seeing the price go back down in this range and not buying or swing trading. Don't underestimate Ethereum. It can run against and outperform the Bitcoin chart. One can use Ethereum to stack sats. Next, here's a tweet from DIY Investing, chart analyst and YouTuber. I have so many XRP right now. It was a smart move buying so much of it at 20 cents. I'm ready for the pump. Yeah, you and the rest of the XRP community, my friend, let me assure you. All right, last for this video from chart analyst Leb Crypto, he wrote today, XRP, win 30% daily candle pump. Very soon, I believe. And it goes back to the silliness of the stupid crypto speak. Win so-and-so, win Moon, win Lambo, win 30% daily candle pump. I love all this idiocy. Like, to me, it's just a barrel of fun. Gotta love that Lambo indicator line, right? Lambo line indicator. Who would have thought that would be a thing in life? Oh, man, people are ridiculous. But I appreciate it. That's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!